How to fix M01 error on Shopee. Now this is currently happening. Possible reason could be a bugs or a crashes. So the first troubleshooting step that we need to make sure is we need to make sure that we are currently running with the updated or the latest version with Shopee. Just go directly to your Play Store and type in Shopee. Now you will be able to know if your Shopee needs an updating because there will be a visible update button right there. So for you to update it, just simply tap on it and it will automatically work by itself. So if this does not resolve the issue, then all I have to do is to proceed on the second troubleshooting step. Second troubleshooting is just tap and hold on your Shopee application and just press on the eye icon right there. So from here, we'll just have to clear cache and data with this application. Just tap on clear data. Make sure that you will do all these options right here, just clearing all data and clearing the cache. So once everything is set, you just have to rerun the application and try to re-log into your account again, and everything will get back to normal. So that's it. That's how you troubleshoot Shopee issue M01.